Hello friends! Today I show you a day in my life as I collect herbs to dry from my garden, explore my property after a long period of rainfall, and then work in my studio fulfilling orders. If you're new here, I'm Jerika, and my husband and I moved to this homestead in the forest almost 2 months ago. We've moved around a lot, and with this house, this is the first time we've owned this much land, over 2 acres. This house also came with an enclosed garden with some mature herbs like rosemary, thyme, and sage. I've been collecting them and drying them for use in not just my cooking, but also for future skincare DIYs. Living here has brought so much peace to my life, and I'm so excited to share it with you. So grab a coffee or tea, get cozy, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 22. Wet.
Yep. He's so happy running around.
As promised, I have my conditioner bars that I made a couple days ago, and I'm now going to unmold them, and you can see what they look like once they're all finished and solidified. You can see that they have the most beautiful pale green, sage green color, and that was naturally achieved using spirulina. And you'll see when I pop them out that the spirulina tends to settle to the bottom, which is okay. You can see there's more spirulina at the bottom. It's much darker than on the top. And it's also because the bottom of this shampoo bar was not exposed to the air, and over time this will get paler. So when you store these, store them in a dark place so that they can keep their gorgeous green color. If you didn't watch the last video, these are my mint cocoa butter conditioner bars, and they were supposed to smell chocolatey and minty, but I can only really smell the mint. So I wonder if I used too little of an amount of cocoa butter so that you can't really smell it, but these are just gorgeous. They do have a nutty smell in addition to the mint, which isn't unpleasant. It's a beautiful natural scent that I really, really like. Tonight, Kale and I are celebrating me getting my green card. So we're gonna be headed out for a little date. It's Friday night, and we're really excited about that. We have some pretty big weekend plans. We're gonna try to finish up our Christmas shopping, but we're gonna go out of town a little bit to do that. So that'll be interesting. And since we're gonna be in a different town, we're of course going to check out the thrift stores and the antique stores. And we also have a friend that we're meeting up with in that town. So it's gonna be a pretty busy day. I have these orders to get ready and get packaged and get them out the door. That's my goal before I head out for today. I was gonna check my watch, but I'm not wearing it. So that's what I'm gonna be doing for the next hour or so. I'm getting really close to clearing my board of orders, so that is exciting. Very much looking forward to having a little bit more breathing room. Also, with there only being 5 more days of Vlogmas, sorry, it might be 4 more days of Vlogmas. Yeah, we have 4 more videos to go. I can't help but start thinking about the future and what this channel is going to look like in 2025 throughout Vlogmas. To go with the Vlogmas theme, I tried to make it more Christmassy, more homey, introduce things like cooking and home decoration, and that was a lot of fun. I really liked changing it up, and I think a lot of you guys liked that too, judging from the comments, and I definitely think I'll continue doing that into 2025. But I have noticed that you guys miss the making content, me making the skincare, the soaps, lotions, and shampoo, that kind of stuff. And I will definitely be doing more of that in 2025, so don't worry. I said when I came back after my big break that I was not gonna stop the soap business, soap making stuff, and I'm not going to, but it just might be framed in more of a vlog, day in the life style of video rather than a dedicated, this is how you make this type of video. Ultimately, that's the type of video that I really like making. And when you're sitting for hours editing a video, for me, it has to be a video that I at least like to watch, and I like to be entertained with myself. Because if I'm editing something that I don't even like watching that much, then how are you guys gonna like it? So that's gonna be the focus of this channel. I think I'm gonna return to once a week schedule for video uploads. I think that's ultimately what worked the best for this channel. And I'm gonna keep taking you on this journey. When it comes to specifically house stuff, hobby farming stuff, home renovation stuff, I actually think that that might just live on another channel or on another Instagram even. I don't want that to be the focus necessarily of the Jerika Zimmerman channel, because this is a soap making channel that was built on helping soap makers. And if I wanted to start branching off into that type of content, then it would really be best if I just started a brand new separate channel so that I don't confuse people that come to this channel for making soap and then the next thing I post is about cooking. So that's what I think I'm going to do. I'm definitely not going to branch off and start doing that right away. I think if anything, I'll start an Instagram first and upload there and start sharing on there. And I'll share with you guys what that Instagram is. For those of you that are interested in that kind of content, you can go to the Instagram and see what I'm up to in terms of home updates, in terms of what I'm doing in my garden and what animals we've taken on. But unless those animals or unless any of that stuff has anything to do with the soap business or soap making, I don't think I'll mention it as much. So that's where I see my channel going in 2025. So if you were a fan of that content, I will be touching on it here and there, but it's not going to be the focus moving forward. But man, I have loved the freedom Vlogmas gives me to post really whatever I feel like at the time. And if I were to focus strictly on one specific topic, I think I would have burned out very quickly. So it was important for me, this Vlogmas, to be able to have that variety, to be able to switch it up a little bit, because it gets tough editing every morning, trying to get a video up every single day. So I'm very much looking forward to not doing that and having a break for at least another year.
but it was enjoyable. It was a great time, and I'm very, very lucky to have the audience that I have. So thank you guys for sticking around and showing up every single day. You guys are amazing. Oh, this box size is perfect for this amount of soap, this massive order. Whoever ordered, you know who you are. Thank you so much for the support. And thank you for the satisfaction of me packing this many soaps in a box. I always find it so satisfying when the products perfectly fit into a box that I have. I have Kale's help to get these orders out the door.
I can read your writing.
I know, right? That's a legitimate concern. Did you get all the little ones? And now you're working on the bigger ones. So they have a corresponding bag on them, so don't take them away from the bag. This one's done. Want to get me this packages? I'll work on the other ones. And we'll be able to drop some of these off today at UPS. They actually close. They actually close later, so I'm gonna try to do that. This one's already done. My writing's so bad. Do you want to know who that one is?
I can read it, but there is no name with that. Rockville, Maryland.
Have you been there? No, you haven't been on the East Coast very much.
No, just Florida on the east.
Oh yeah, the Southeast.
New York.
We can go exploring around America. And I really want to do the Upper East Coast with you. I want to go to New York and Maine. Have some lobster.
Yeah. We had lobster ravioli last night, but that's not the same.
Oh, that was so good. Kale made a really delicious sauce to go with that lobster ravioli.
Well, you gave me the recipe, so.
Yeah.
You gave me the blueprint, and I built it.
There you go. Teamwork. Okay. The last one. There you go. There you go.
There you go.
Thank you so much for your help. I needed that last push.
You're welcome.
And now we can drop those packages off
Yep.
at our local UPS. We can go to dinner, which we'll show you, and maybe do a little bit of shopping.
A little bit of shopping today.
Yeah.
Get a little bit done.
Yes.
I'm wearing this shirt again. I wear this shirt too much in your videos.
Just like your mom is telling us that she thinks that we eat mashed potatoes too much in our videos. But that's what happens when you see the everyday, right? But that's the video for today. Thank you so much for joining us and being a part of our Vlogmas. And if you like this one, catch the next one, which I'll be posting tomorrow. And that's pretty much it. If you want the recipe for the conditioner bar, that's also linked down below. And I think that's all for the sign off. And until the next video, keep smiling, keep being awesome, and we will see you at that next video. Bye, guys.